Hello everybody, today we make a spinach ricotta meatball, but no meat. Everybody know when you buy a ricotta, it's wet. You got water with the ricotta. And what I did, I used the cheesecloth. And I put the ricotta inside, and I drain like this. Now I was put this little cup over here, and look how many water it come out, okay? And so you do like this, when you mix the meatball with the spinach, it's really, really wet. It's why I do like this. It can use less breadcrumb. And now so you squeeze more, still look, you gotta take all the water out. Now, I gotta cook the spinach. And when I cook the spinach, one time it's cooked, I gotta chop and I gotta put in the refrigerator to cool off. Okay, now let's start do the sauce, this part, and this other part it's for the spinach. And we start with the oil. This one part over here, it's for the sauce. And this other part over here, it's for the spinach. Okay, we put the gas little high, and I got over here the little spoon. I put a little bit garlic over here for the spinach. And I put a little garlic over here for the tomato sauce. And the rest of the garlic I gotta keep for the meatball. And we put it right on the side over here. Now this is for the sauce, and we use onion. Good, the smell already is so beautiful. And this one, not too much garlic for the spinach. It's ready. And the spinach, it can go ready. Look how many spinach. And this locusti come like maybe 2 grams spinach. One time it's cooked. Okay, we lower the flame a little bit. And this is another spoon. I gotta go for the sauce. Okay. Okay, now ready for the sauce. Look at the color of my sauce. Look at my sauce, how red it is. It smells really good, like heaven. Woo! And look at this other one. Wow! Oh, boy, so good. Now you gotta cook the sauce. Now we give a turn on the spinach, to cook more the spinach. And now the spinach, I want to put black pepper, a little, I use a sea salt. At the same time, I want to use a little salt, but not too much salt on the sauce, because when I cook the sauce, I put salt already. That's enough. And now we give a little turn for the sauce. And we give a little turn on the spinach. Now the spinach, it's almost done. Okay, the spinach is done. I turn the gas off and I do like this. Because what happened, I gotta put the spinach over here. Before I put in the refrigerator, I want to take the little water out, like this. And now, what I do, I squeeze a little bit more, you see? I want to try to take so much warm out before I put in the refrigerator. You see? You see how many water come out? Look there. Okay, and this you go right in the dish. And now you gotta go in the refrigerator to cool off, because we gotta mix it together with the ricotta, eggs, cheese, everything. Okay, now the spinach is cool off for 20 minutes in the refrigerator. And I want to put in a cheesecloth to squeeze my spinach. And not look like it's dry, but when you squeeze, more water come out. Look. More squeeze and more water come. I don't want too much water. Okay, and this is done. Now the spinach I put on over here, I gotta chop, it gotta come nice thin. Okay, and now we chop. La 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 la. Okay, now ready to mix everything. And we start with the spinach. And we put it right on this bowl. Okay, now the ricotta. Ricotta. Good. I got 1 egg. I got a little hot flake pepper. So you don't want to use hot pepper, it's okay. You can use only black pepper. Now I got the rest of the garlic. And we put it right over here too. I got to use a little salt. That's enough. And now, black pepper. Pecorino cheese. Bam ba bam ba bam ba pera bam ba pira beep ba bam. E se you don't got pecorino cheese, use Parmigiano. Parmigiano Reggiano. Now we mix. After we put the breadcrumb and mayonnaise, I got over here 2 cups. But we gotta see the mix. Got a lot of time the ricotta is too wet, the spinach and the egg. Okay, now I was washing my hand, and now I want to mix it by hand. And we start with the breadcrumb. Okay. Kind of want to make it too hard and not too soft. Okay, almost ready, but I like to use a little bit more. It's enough. Look, I use less than 1 cup. After I gotta roll the meatball, like a big boss. The small boss, big boss. Now we start to roll this ball. And we start now the size you want, and we do, this is the size I like. Okay, now the sauce boil, it was cooked already, and now it's a time to put the meatball. Now I put this right on the sauce. Look how beautiful it look. Okay, now I'll give a nice turn. Everything gotta go all the way down. Look at this. Make sure the boil slow, on the low. See, I put on the low. And you gotta boil really, really low. Okay, meatball ready. Turn the gas off and let's go. Now it's a time to taste my meatball. This was cooked for 40 minutes. Hey, I need a little sauce over here. Okay, good. Now, I got a bread. And like this, I can dip with the sauce in my meatball. Now you gotta watch this. This is really hot. And the bread is nice crispy. And this you gotta be more crispy. Let me see, let me hear. The meatball is hot. This is more hot. What? Mamma mia. So you make this, you gotta let me know. You gotta say, Pasquale, it's a really good recipe you was make with this meatball. Or you can cook pasta. Nice dish pasta, this meatball, it's really good. Salute e cincin everybody.